Hey everyone, I'm back. I wanted to bring in on a project I'm working on at my house. I'm currently working on stoning in a fireplace I put in. It's a wood fireplace. It's a Napoleon NZ8000. I'm slowly piecing together a stone, but I'm gonna finish it up here in a little bit, and I figured I'd bring you in on it and kind of show you what's going on with it. So this fireplace is kind of cool because of the glass system. It's got what we call a guillotine door. So we've got a tool that goes to it, and you slide it in here. You can lift it up, and you get inside the unit. You know, you can put your wood in and whatnot. But the other cool thing is the door actually opens for things like cleaning. So you can open it up like this. And in today's day and age, it's also got a protective screen built into it. It's not like an efficient fireplace like the NZ3000 or 6000 where it's built more like a wood stove, an airtight stove. In my house, I just wanted it more for the ambiance and for something that looked good. Another cool thing here is the mantle. So the mantle was actually out of a local barn that burnt down, and this rail up here is actually the original rail that the barn doors slid on. And I decided to give this a bit more depth, so I actually returned in the mantle a bit. You know, it's not just flat across the wall. I think it gives it a bit more dimension. And then the hearth, I got to clean it up a bit, but it's a solid piece of granite. And what's going up on the wall is granite also. So I'll get you guys into cutting stone and putting it up, and we'll keep going. I'm back. As you can see, I got a bit more stone done. I had a free minute to really jam out some work, and I didn't feel like setting up the camera, but I still got a couple stones on the sides to do. But overall, it's going pretty good. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do over the top. I think I'm going to do some sort of judges paneling or wainscoting. But I haven't decided that yet. So as of right now, we're pretty much done, and I'll bring you in and we'll do, I've already been using this, but I'll bring you in for a good fire and show you guys how it works.